Hey everybody, it's Neil, and what I have here is a cleaning kit that I'll be using for different 3D printing and my laser engraving, stuff like that, to clean out different things as I do my different crafts and stuff like that. I'll show you what it is here, and some people will use this for other things as well. It's got different little picks and stuff, so you have your little brass strong bristles, and then little ones with thinner ones, and different little picks and hooks to get to crevices and stuff. It looks like it's a cleaning brush pick bristle brushes. So you can use it to clean most anything that needs to be cleaned. It's got some of the nylon bristles there too. So if you really want to scrub out some, steel pans or something like that, you could probably use it for that as well. And then you've got the little picks to scratch at stuff. So really nice little kit, and it comes nice and convenient, and you can just zip it up and have it for cleaning when you need it. So kind of cool. Thumbs up.